Hello YouTube and welcome to Van City Rideshare. This is my episode 4 of my Dashcam Diary series. Check it out.
What adventure. How long was the flight?
This lady was telling me a lot. She went through quite a hassle getting to Vancouver and was very busy in the backseat there. But check out what happens a few seconds later.
Whoa, you don't see that every day. Death?
So I don't know if this guy was going to protest or what, but that's definitely death on the corner of West Georgia.
Yeah, that's one for the dash now. Yeah, it's been
Cruising around in the downtown core, working,
since
and
things
I
have
see this
gotten
guy,
legalized
this
here now.
Mercedes, just ripping. I think we're on Smythe there. Dangerous for sure. I don't know why people feel the need to drive that way. Here's another incident. This white truck was kind of tailgating me a little bit along East First, just after Terminal, and then he decides that he's going to blow past me at a red light in oncoming traffic and head right through the intersection. I don't get why people do that, but that was very dangerous and illegal. This truck, I just put him on because he was kind of weaving like this a lot, all the way along East First. And I don't know if he just couldn't get the shoulder check, but he doesn't end up turning right there anyway, which is very weird. That's clearly a red light runner. Watch this red car here. Almost gets smoked by the black one coming through the intersection. Right away always goes to the people going straight through. This Corvette is just a really nice car, and he was driving like he knows it goes fast. He continued to drive pretty aggressively in a pretty busy traffic area. Yeah, and he is gone and out of sight.
So, what?
We have a red light.
The time?
This guy decides he's just going to turn anyways and almost get hit by about 3 cars.
What the heck?
So stupid.
Wow, that...
Pretty obvious reason why I stopped. This guy decides that he's just going to come right through like I'm not even there. Pretty sure I have the right of way.
Hello.
Hello.
This gentleman was clearing some debris off the road. There's a sign or
Good
something
job,
that fell on
buddy.
the road there. And thought that was pretty cool. Check out this guy. On its way to Willingdon on Lougheed there. This truck came through that intersection and almost got hit by a car and they honked at him.
And then I guess they had the parachute like rigged into one of the balloons. So he was able to pull it down and he had to put it on. It was so...
Not too sure what this tow truck driver is doing up here.
he had to watch his oxygen and stuff because obviously...
Oh, stop.
That's a good way for a tow truck to back out. What is this guy doing? That's one for the website.
So this is just a PSA. Drive safe out there. You never know who's going to pop out in front of you. This car in the left-hand lane right now clearly doesn't understand traffic laws, as he stopped at a red light and he just decides that he's going to go left on it, crossing lanes of traffic. Maybe he thought if he goes slow, nobody would notice him. I don't know. This truck had a very, very late notice.
Wow, really?
Left turn signal there. It was wet.
That was a really late
That's
signal.
pretty much a truck cutting off a regular car right there. It does happen a lot,
So I run a website
and
too,
there's
called
an
Van
example of it. This taxi driver was stopped in a no stopping zone, and I just didn't feel safe going around him, so I honked at him until he moved. This is just a huge puddle during the floods that we had in the last month or so. Downtown Vancouver, on my way through Main Street here. This was a pretty nasty one. But yeah, I got out through alive.
Probably not.
Here's a really interesting one. We're turning
No,
left
I'm
on
in
boundary, and there's this
from
truck that doesn't stop for that
staging
pedestrian,
areas, like
and then he
wherever
decides that
they're
he's going to
gonna
come
make them
over
here and
and
whatever
pass
done.
almost me and this other vehicle
Yeah.
that we're all turning left here, and
Why would I
not
think
sure
that?
why he did that, but
That's unreal. That's
weird.
going on the website.
Anyways, thanks for watching, you guys. I'm going to come out with another part pretty quick. I have a ton of footage. I just haven't had the time. I'm going to get it out to you guys now. Thank you. Please subscribe and like, and thanks for all the support.